Hello, good morning students. In the last class, we have completed exercise A. In that exercise, we have some examples. In that, this example is very important. Remaining examples, just you can do it very easily. But this is some different when compared to exercise problems. Look at the problem. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. First, what is the meaning of given statement? That means given problem. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Now we have to prepare one matrix whose matrix order is 3 by 2. In that elements position is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. That means, for example, one matrix I am giving to you. For example, 3, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 7, 8, 9. Just some, all those are elements. Do you know already? In that, suppose I want A11. We can write or not. We have matrix A11 means just easily we can write. From this matrix A11 means 3. Is it or not? Now in this matrix only, for example, I want A21. I want A21. That is also we can write. A21 means, do you know already? Second row, first column. That means this is A11, this is A12, this is A13, and this is A21. So A21 value is minus 1. Likewise, we can write or not. So that means what I am telling you means, if you know matrix, then we can write all the elements, whether it is A11 or A12 or A31 or A32. We are ready to write any element when you know matrix. But in this example, we have to prepare matrix. We have to prepare. That matrix order is 3 by 2. Elements are defined by 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. That means for that converse. So let us see how to do it. So at present we don't know that matrix, so that let capital A is equal to, the required matrix of order is 3 by 2. Do you know already? 3 by 2 means 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. Is it or not? 2 columns. This is the first column, this is the second column. So that let capital A is equal to A11, A12, and this is A21, and this is A22, and it is A31, and it is A32. Now you can verify this is belongs to 3 by 2 or not. So first row, second row, third row, 3 rows. First column, second column, 3 by 2. As per definition, we want to prepare 3 by 2. At present we don't know, so that we are taking in that way. It is clear or not? Now we have to calculate all these elements with the help of this is. So given Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. This is the given elements position. Now we have to calculate each element. First we are calculating A11. That means here I value is 1, J value is 1. Are you following clearly? I value is 1, J value is 1. So 1 by 2 into modulus of, that means 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 by 2 into modulus of, this is 1 minus 3. Is it or not? So 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 means this is modulus of minus 2. Do you know modulus of minus 2 means we can write plus 2. So that 1 by 2 into 2 because modulus of minus 2. So the final answer is 1 because 2 to cancel. So the element of this position is 1. Likewise, now we want to calculate A12. A12 is equal to, this is only definition. Is it or not? Position of element. Now we are calculating A12. I value is 1, J value is 2 now. So 1 by 2 into modulus of I, that means 1 minus 3 into J value is 2. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 1 minus 6. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 5. So modulus of minus 5 means we can write plus 5. So that 1 by 2 into 5. Finally 5 by 2. This is second element. Next element A21. A21. So that means I value is 2 now. J value is 1. Is it or not? So 1 by 2 into modulus of I value is 2. So 2 minus 3 into J value is 1. So 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3. So 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 means plus 1. And that means finally 1 by 2. This is A21. Next we have to calculate A22. 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 So I value is 2, J value is 2. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 2 minus 3 into 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 2 minus 6. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 6. Modulus of minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 means plus 4. So 2 here 2 times. That means final answer is 2. And the next one is A31. Now A31 we have to calculate. A31, that means I value is 3 now, J value is 1. I value is 3. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 minus 3 into 1. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 minus 3, 0. That means 0 answer. Okay, 3 minus 3 into 1, 3. That means 0. And the next one is A32. A32 is equal to A32. I value is 3, J value is 2. So 1 by 2 into modulus of I. That means 3 minus 3 into J. J value is 2. So 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 minus 6. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 means we can write plus 3. So that final answer is 3 by 2. Okay. So these are the elements. So at last, therefore, A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So write all these values. Okay. That means A11 value is only 1. So 1. A12 value is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2. And the next A21 value is 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2. A22, 2. Next one value is 0. Next one value is 3 by 2. So this order is 3 by 2. So finally 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by AI is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j means these are the required matrix. This is the way of process for finding when the data is given to prepare matrix. So maybe here only main some doubts, maybe some students have doubt field. A is equal to, we want 3 by 2 matrix. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. First row, second row, third row, 3 rows. 2 columns, first column, second column. So A11 and this is A12. When you are writing second row means A21, A22 and this is A31, A32. Maybe some of the students maybe they will think in that way, sir, A is equal to, can we take A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A32. But this is wrong. Why? Because just this is belongs to 2 by 3 because 2 rows 3 columns, that matrix belongs 2 by 3, but in our question 3 by 2 matrix, order is 3 by 2, so that this is only correct. This is very important example. Everyone should be practice it. The next concept is multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. That means this concept is belongs to exercise B. In exercise A, we are completed addition or a subtraction of two matrices. When we are doing addition or subtraction, those two matrices have same order. Is it or not? Now the concept is a multiplication of matrices. Capital A is one of the matrix and capital B is another matrix. First, when it is possible to do multiplication of two matrices, it has one condition. The condition is, suppose the matrix A has order m by n. A matrix has order m by n and the matrix B has order n by p. Do you understand? The matrix A has order m by n, the matrix B has order n by p. Then the product of two matrices, that means the multiplication of two matrices, that is AB. This matrix of order is m by p. That means when we are multiplication of two matrices, when it is possible means here one condition is there. The condition is, do you know already, m by n means m rows and n columns. Is it or not? And here n rows and p columns. What is the condition means, in the first matrix, the number of columns, and in the second matrix, the number of rows must be equal. That is the first condition. When we want to multiply two matrices, in the first matrix, the number of columns should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. After that, multiply AB. How to multiply? I will tell you, just wait. Then we can get some matrix here. The resultant matrix of order is m by p. How can you guess it means? I told you these two must be equal. Then m by p is the order of the resultant matrix. That is the first condition. Once again I am telling you, when we want to multiply two matrices, in the first matrix, the number of columns should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then the order of the resultant matrix is, we can get m by p. Okay. For example, A is one of the matrix. This order is 3 by 2. Another matrix order B is, for example, 2 by 1. First of all, multiplication is possible or not? Just you can verify. So these two must be same. These two means the number of columns in first matrix, the number of rows in second matrix. These two must be same. So it is possible. Next, the product of two matrices of order is, we can get 3 by 1. Okay. After that I will tell you how it is 3 by 1. Just first you can guess it. And one more, the matrix B has order 2 by 1 and another matrix C has order 3 by 2. It is possible or not possible? This is not possible. Why? Because these two are not equal. Then it is not possible to multiply for two matrices. Okay. So that is the first condition. Now we are going to process how to multiply two matrices. Let A is equal to, I am giving you one example, 1, 2, 0, 1, and B is equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 2. Just find AB. Find AB. Before doing the problem, just you can verify whether it is possible or not. So now we want to calculate AB. First itself, A order is 2 by 2. B order is 2 by 2. So both are same, is it or not? So it is possible. The order of the final matrix is 2 by 2. Okay. Now I am going to process how to do it. A 1 2 0 1 and B matrix into 3 0 minus 1 2. Okay. Now multiplication is first start with row, this is row, multiply with first row to each column, multiply with first row to each column. That means start with the first row, first element is here 1, 1 into first element 3, 1 into 3 plus start with row 2 into minus 1, first row and first column, corresponding element 1 into 3, 1 into 3, in between plus second element and second element. Now again same with this row only second column, first row first column, next again same row with the second column, that means 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus second element 2 into 2. Okay. Next start with the second row, that means here same this row with the first column, again same row with the second column, row with the first column, this row with the second column. Now we are starting with the second row, that means here row with the first column, again row with the second column. So that means row means 0 into first element 3, always plus here, second element 1 into minus 1, again same row, now this column 0 into 0 plus 1 into 2, that's all. Now 1 into 3, 3 plus into minus, minus 2. Next 1 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 3, 0 plus into minus, minus 1. 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2. So finally 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 plus 2, 2. So this is answer. Just verify this order. This order is 2 by 2. So I told you already previously these two are same. Then the order of the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. So we can get in this way. Okay. Just we can do very carefully. Just start with row and first column. Again start with the same row, second column. Suppose if you have third column, suppose, then same row with the third column. Start with the second row, first column. Again second row with the second column. So this is the way of process. I will give you one more example also, and then we will start exercise. Second example. If A is equal to, for example, 1, 3, 0, elements whatever it may be, this is A, and B is equal to 1, 2, 5. Find AB. This is a second question or second example. I told you already, before going to the problem, first verify whether it is possible or not possible. The order of A, the matrix order of A is, can we write 2 by 3? First row, second row, first column, second column, third column. So this order is 2 by 3. Is it or not? The order of matrix B, this is 3 by 1. Is it or not? First row, second row, third row, only one column. So this order is 3 by 1. So finally it is possible or not? This is possible. The order of final matrix, we can say 2 by 1. So now let us start. A, B. So first write matrix A, 1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 4, okay, and B 1, 2, 5. Now we are doing multiplication. What did I tell you? Start with row and column. Is it or not? So 1 into first element 1 plus second element 3 into second element 2 plus 0 into third element 5. Okay. Next, suppose if we have second column, this row into second column. Is it or not? But there is no another column. First row, first column is over. Now start with the second row. Start with the second row means we have to write here. So second row and first column. Are you following properly? Always start with row, column. Again row with the second column, but there is no second column. Now start with the second row. There also same process. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Okay. Now in this example, first row, first column is over. Next we are starting with the second row. So that right here, row and column. So corresponding elements to first element into first element plus second element 1 into second element 2 plus third element 4 into third element 5. So now 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 0. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 plus 20. So finally 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 20, 24. So this order is 2 by 1. Just we can check 2 by 1. Is it or not? So that is the way of process. You don't worry. I will tell you one more problem also. Okay. Next problem is find one matrix into another matrix. So what is the order of the first matrix? 3 by 3. And order of the second matrix is 3 by 3. So it is possible or not? It is possible. Okay. The order of the final matrix is, we can notice that 3 by 3. Is it or not? Now let us start process. What did I tell you? We are finding multiplication of these two matrices. So once again I am writing 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 1, 2. So minus 2, minus 3, 4. 2, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 2. Okay. Okay. Now multiplication of these two matrices. Let us start. I told you already. First row with the first column. Multiply with the first row with the first column. Again, first row with the second column. Again, first row with the third column. So now first row means 2 into here first element minus 2. Always plus here. Second element, here second element 2 into 2 plus third element 1 into third element 1. Are you following clearly? First row with the first column. Again same row with the second column. That means 2 into first element minus 3. In between plus second element 2 into second element 2 plus third element 1 into third element 2. Okay. Again same row with the third column. Same row means 2 first element 2 into here first element is 4 plus next element 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. Next element 1 into next element minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2. Okay, it is clear. First row with the first column. again first row with the second column, again first row with third column. Now same process, start with second row with the first column, second row with the second column, again second row with third column. That is all I am doing now. So 1 into first row, first column, minus 2, plus 0 into 2, plus 2 into 1. Okay. Again same row, second column, 1 into first element into first element, plus second element 0 into second element 2, plus third element 2 into 2. Again same row, third column, 1 into 4, plus 0 into minus 3, plus 2 into minus 2. Now start with third row, that means this is, so third row with the first column, again third row with the second column, again third row with the third column. Okay. So 2 into minus 2, plus 1 into 2, plus 2 into 1, first element, second element, third element, like that. Now same row, second column, first element 2 into minus 3, plus 1 into minus 3, 1 into 2. Okay, this row with the second column, plus 2 into 2. Now again start with third row, third column, 2 into 4, plus 1 into minus 3, plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2. So that is the way of process. Just here on was just a simplification only. 2 into minus 2, so minus 4, plus 2 into 2, plus 4, plus 1 into 1, that means plus 1. Next one is 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 2 into 2, plus 4, plus 1 into 2, plus 2. 2 into 4, 8, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 2. Next element, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 1, plus 2. Okay. 1 into minus 3, minus 3, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 2 into 2, plus 4. So 1 into 4, 4, plus 0, next minus 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 into 1, plus 2. Okay. And 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 1 into 2, plus 2, plus 2 into 2, plus 4. 2 into 4, 8. Next one is minus 3, and the next one is minus 4. Okay. Now just you can simplify, then minus 4 plus 4 both are cancelled. So we have only 1. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel, that means 0. This is 8 and this is minus 8, that means 0. Okay. Next minus 2 plus 2, again both are cancelled, that means 0. Minus 3 plus 4, that means 1. This is a plus 4, this is a minus 4, so 0. Minus 4 plus 4, again 0. This is a minus 6 plus 6, that means 0. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, that means plus 1. So this is the final answer. Here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, that means it is identity matrix. That means we can write I3 also, because this is 3 by 3 order. Just to keep it up 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, or we can write identity matrix or this 3 by 3, so that I3 by 3. This is the way of process. Okay. Just you can practice it again and again, then you can do it very easy. It is not difficult. Okay. just you can practice problem to problem, then we can do it very easily. Just keep it in our mind. Row, column, again row, second column, again same row, third column, like that. In this model only, tomorrow also we shall discuss some problems.